Hello ACS, I'm Patrick Martin. I'm a senior chemistry major at the University of Texas at Tyler. I'm also president of our local ACS chapter, a research assistant, and a demo show enthusiast. But most of that's done in my free time. But today I'm going to talk about my recent research project and what I've been doing for the last few years to try and help communicate science to everyone. Now, my research hits a little bit home for me. Both my brother and my stepfather have diabetes. My brother has type 1 and my stepfather has type 2. Now, type 1 is a hereditary disorder which hinders insulin production completely. So there isn't much in the way for treatment for that. Whereas type 2, it's generally just a matter of allowing the insulin to work properly. Imagine this is an insulin receptor, and my phone is the insulin. This is how normal insulin works. You have something that fits inside the receptor and it allows it to function correctly. Whereas with type 2 diabetes, it doesn't work. It's misshapen or something of the sort that makes it so it's non-functional. Now that can be treated with a lot of medications, and that's where my research comes in. So my research in technical terms is what's known as a vanadium diabetic mimetic. What that means in non-science terms is basically me and Dr. Jason Smee, the person I work for, trying to take vanadium, just as an analog, a slightly toxic transition metal compound that alleviates the symptoms of diabetes, but we're trying to mimic an antioxidant known as glutathione in order to allow the body to not react so violently towards it. And so this is a model of what we're trying to create. Notice the vanadium. And what we're trying to do, one of the main things, is attach enough organic-y carbons, nitrogens, oxygens, and sulfurs to it in order to make this so that it's not so toxic and still get those beneficial effects that we really want. And that's my research. As for me, why I feel like I should win the Chem Champs competition is because I feel like I'm a very effective researcher, leader, and speaker, and I've also never been to San Francisco, and I've also never flown in a plane that I've had the privilege to land in. Thank you.